Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Crazy Cash Flyer. It's a new launch. I want you to be a partner in it. Its thing is exploding, and we're at the beginning of something so big. Folks, we'll talk about it all on the other side. Tim Thomas here, guys. I could not be more excited to talk to you about this Crazy Cash Flyer. It's a new flyer that I just partnered with. I just joined hot off the press, guys. This thing is only days old, and you're some of the first people to hear about it. This thing's incredible. We've been quietly testing it, and it is cranking out the payments. We'll talk about the product, services, and value. We're going to talk about what we believe you can make in this program. Of course, income disclaimer, nothing happens until you take action and do a lot of it. Folks, 2023 is going to be incredible. So we got this new launch. It's a brand new launch for the Crazy Cash Flyer. Crazy Cash Flyer, the new launch. And I'm going to show you how this thing works, converting like gangbusters. But before we get into the video, guys, make sure you check out the channel. I've got multiple streams of income going on. Find a program and or programs that resonate with you, that make a difference in your life, that you can partner with, and we'll be glad to have you. Guys, subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I upload a video, you, my friend, will be the first to know. 2023 has already started with a blast, guys. Had so much come in over the weekend, guys. So many payments, and could not be more excited, guys. I can't even post proof of everything that's coming in, but we're excited. We want you to partner along with us. Let me show you the Crazy Cash Flyer, folks. And I'm going to go through it. It's a 2-page flyer, so stay with me through the video. I'll give you my thoughts on the program, and I will show you how to work. Look at this flyer, folks. Look at how well it is put together. Absolutely astounding to see what we have our hands on. I could not be more excited. We are absolutely off to the races. So we want to invite you to come on in. It even has a 90-day money-back guarantee. Folks, we're excited, and we want to get you involved in this program and off to the races. It says, oh my God, Crazy Cash. This is page 1, and again, this is page 2. And this is the way it works, guys. It's $4.50 to join. Costs $4.50 to join. Let me show you how the profits work. You will receive the exact copy of this flyer. Exact copy of this flyer. Your name and position number 1. Look at the psychological triggers, guys. We have diversity. All kinds of folks promote these programs, guys. All kinds of people. Kids. We got all kinds of folks, being a little sarcastic there. But yeah, we got, adults are marketing this program, and look at the money that they're making. Absolutely incredible. Got any questions, guys? You can call Rod, the owner of the program, and he will answer any questions. Or you can call me. My information is below the video. You keep $4.50. $4.50, folks. You receive your exact copy of this flyer. This is a must join today. If you're seeing the video, I would join it today. Mail it off today. I'll email it. I'll send an email to you. We can email it to you. You can join via Cash App today. We can get you your flyer. We can get your flyer in your hands, and you can start mailing it, guys. I am having thousands of copies of this thing printed over at, we're going to use this company called Best Value Copy. Best Value Copy is going to be doing our printing, and I could not be more excited. It says you keep 100% of the profits you will receive. 100% of the profits from this flyer. Just consistently mail until you get sales. That's all that works. The flyer would do the selling, telling, explaining for you in 2023 and beyond. So you never have to. This is the same one you've been looking for. Stop making some fat cat at the top of these MLM programs rich. Folks, there's no middleman. You keep all the money. Imagine making $100,000. Just imagine making $100,000 in 1 year. Unheard of. Done for you. Print and mail service will flood your mailbox with $4.50 cash or U.S. postal money orders. That is incredible. When you order today, you will get access to a 500 print and mail service. A 500 print mail service. Imagine, just a dream with me for a minute, and it is possible. getting 15 450 cells out of a 500 mailing. Folks, and they can even mail flyers for you. Done for you mailings. I'm going to talk about that in another video. That's worth a whopping $6,750 in cash. What if you only get 5 cells, folks? Well, that's $2,500. You cannot lose with this flyer. If you can get it to action, get it going, you can win with this crazy cash flyer. I'm excited about it. The Crazy Cash mail order package. $450, folks. All you do is get, and this is what you're going to get. This is your product. This is what I am stoked about. And people will get stoked about it when they see the value. The value in joining this program. You're going to get 300 premium buyer leads on pill and stick labels. You're going to get 300 forever stamps. You're going to get hot marketing tips and tricks to get sales fast. One-on-one phone coaching if necessary. Our preferred turnkey print and mail services. We will print 500 of the flyers for you. Optional purchase. This is optional. The normal price is $1,500. Grab this thing, folks. Grab this thing right now for $450. Incredible. The way it works, guys, you get to keep $350 of the payment. You send $100 to the admin. You mail a copy of this flyer. The way it works, guys, you mail a copy of this flyer made payable to this person here in this marketing or TNCL marketing. You mail a copy of this flyer and the money order for $450 to the dealer, TNCL marketing. All right, when we receive it, what we're going to do, we're going to mail 100 to the admin. We're going to keep, you get to keep, when people join you, your name's going to go here. People are going to mail you $450, and you get to keep, this is exciting, you're going to keep $350, folks, worth its weight in gold. Rush shipping, add $25 for shipping plus insurance. Be smart, save your receipts. Use FedEx, UPS, Priority Mail with tracking. Folks, a lot of people just use Priority Mail, regular post office, any post office, Priority Mail, and you're off to the races. Folks, there is no reason, if you're out there struggling for money, folks, there is no reason. The struggle can be over. Put money worries, throw them in the trash can. Get these flyers and get mailing. And it's just that simple. Again, nothing is going to happen until you take action. This is a flyer has been tested, proven to work. We're receiving money orders on it, guys. I'm going to bring you some proof videos here in the next few days. Absolutely astounding. The owner says, I'm so confident with the Crazy Cash Flyer mail order system. I will give you 9 days to try. Give it a try. After 9 days, if you're not received one single sale, I will give you your money back. No questions asked. No money to lose. Look at this young lady here. Are you tired of getting burned by so-called MLM programs? Programs that are not working for you, or any program, whether it be MLM or whatever, if it's not working? Are you tired of wasting your hard-earned money? Folks, well, I've came up with a powerful flyer that will pour 450 cash and money order payments into your mailbox daily. It is called the Crazy Cash Flyer mail order system. Turn this letter over and read the powerful flyer. It's amazing. Just turn it over and read the powerful flyer. I've already made $450 this week with this mailing only 500 flyers. This really works. I have fresh premium buyer leads that help me make $6,000 weekly from home. I will give you 300 premium buyer leads. Folks, can you imagine making $4,000 a week from home? 6,000. Folks, this is going to be the year of transition. This is going to be a year of rocket ship. I mean, not going like a turtle to wealth, but rocket ship ways to wealth. We've got the formula. You plug in, get going. Guys, get below the video and request that flyer. Pick up what I'm putting down. Guys, this thing, I hope it resonates. I'm so confident that this Crazy Cash Flyer system will work. Rod's going to give you 90 days to try it out. If you're not receiving one sale, folks, he'll give you your money back, full refund, no questions asked. Read my powerful sales letter. Look at this, folks. 90-day money back guarantee. Packages filled with $450 cash payments and money order. Can you mail this flyer? Look at James. James down in Alabama made $900. $900 in one day. Look at Rod. Rod over here from South Carolina. Rod made $5,500 in a week. Mail the Crazy Cash Flyer. Order your product package right now. Get the mailing, guys, and let's get you to winning. We want you to win so big and so fast. I could not be more excited. The Crazy Cash Flyer is on fire. We want you to be partnered in this program. We want you to win real big. And it's just that easy. Okay, folks, request a flyer. If you have any questions, get a hold of me, and I'll get back with you. Have a wonderful day. You can join, guys, via Cash App or Zelle, and we'll get you off to the races. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.